Hello, everyone. I'm Jordan with Munro and Associates. I'm joined by Yasmino. He's the Chief Revenue Officer of A2MAC1. We're really excited today because for the first time in many years, you may have worked with A2MAC1, you may have worked with Munro, but what we're announcing today is a partnership between the two. And we're very excited to announce that because there's a lot of incredible synergies between the two companies. I think both have an incredible and powerful offering that our clients have been observing over the years. But we think that 1 + 1 could equal 3 or greater when the two are combined. And so Yasmino's joined me as we walk through this introduction. Thank you, Yasmino, for being here. We want to take you through some of our thoughts on why those two companies are so powerful together. And more importantly, how do we want to leverage the strengths of these two companies to go and serve the customer base? So Yasmino, I think as we go through, if you want to just talk a little bit about, from your perspective, what is it that A2MAC1 is really offering in the public space today, and how do you see that fitting well with what Munro is offering?
So first of all, thank you very much for this opportunity, and being here in this great halls is an honor for me. And coming to your question, I mean, most of the automotive OEMs know A2MAC1 as the provider of a huge amount of data. Benchmarking data, cost data, and things like that. And I was asking the US team, what would make sense for us in terms of partnership in order to create the biggest value for our customers? And not only our team said to me, Munro, even customers were telling me, guys, you have to partner with Munro. So that's where all this started. And then, as you know, there was a bunch of changes in A2MAC1 in terms of leadership. For instance, I started last March. The CEO is new, and so we had the initial discussion, if you remember, last year.
Yes,
and then
yes.
all of a sudden it fitted. And it fitted so good that we had some ideas how we can bring this to 1 + 1 = 3 towards the value of our customers. That was basically the idea which we generated.
No, absolutely. I agree completely. And, I think part of the reason that we wanted to center ourselves in the Automotive Hall of Fame and talk about what we're doing here today is because this is where history is made, and we want to help bring incredible value to our customers. So when we initially talked, years past at Munro, we've actually leveraged A2MAC1, pre-2015 and working with other customers. It is undeniably, in my opinion, the best automotive database on the planet.
Thank you.
Unequivocally. And yes, we could have pursued other avenues. A2MAC1 was undeniably the partner that we were looking to work with. And so when we had an opportunity to sit down, we were incredibly excited about it. But to me, it's like, okay, well, what are we going to bring to the customers? I think what Munro brings is a really keen understanding of the product development process, how to work in a consulting capacity, and how to take all this data that is incredibly rich if used the right way and really get towards the implementation piece of it, right? And I think that's where we can really work well with one another. For our customers out there, we consistently, are getting requests for more and more data. Munro is really good at interpreting data, but A2MAC1 is excellent at providing data that is systematic, cost, weight, packaging, CAD, et cetera. We're able to then take all that to our customers. So in terms of the benefits, the yield, like what are the things that you're really hoping for our customers to get out of this relationship, the attributes?
So what I see currently in the markets is, of course, everybody's looking into the costs. But there is a second thing, everybody's looking into time, efficiency gains. So from my perspective, A2MAC1, as you're saying, we are providing a huge amount of data. But the challenge which we are facing is, okay, if you see the data, how to get to the why and exactly the what, and even more important, how do you implement this? So this partnership brings two worlds together. One thing is the data, of course. The other thing is the engineering expertise you guys have. The third thing, and this is something which I really love from you guys, from Munro, you're explaining to the OEMs as well how and why they should do this. Although tooling costs, we all know this. And you are having the capabilities to explain them exactly how and what, and during the implementation process, you make them believing in the things, what the data are showing, you're bringing it live.
Yes.
And this combination is for me super powerful because it's creating speed, you're focusing on the costs, and you're super efficient.
No, I agree. And everything that you just said to me when distilled down, it's like, what does that actually mean? It's a return on investment and it's profitability for our customers. The beauty of it, if you're a prospective customer out there, is in working with both of us. Let's say today you're engaged with Munro and you're engaged with A2MAC1. It doesn't actually cost you anything more. This partnership is something, and this is exciting to me, on its surface, we're able to just leverage one another in those engagements, and the customer gets to get the benefit of that. And that's a huge benefit to me. I think you hit on the big ones for us. At Munro, we talk about speed, quality, and profit, right? Those are three things that are ubiquitous in every engagement we have. The speed to go and get to a point where you can make a decision decisively and have that data set. Again, there's no better tool I'd rather grasp than A2MAC1 to get us to the point where we've got data-driven decisions, high quality inputs that we can take to customers. Because when we stand in front of customers, and this is our job every single day, and we go and say, hey, we think that we should go this direction or this other direction or use this technology, we need that data set to do so effectively.
Absolutely.
And I'm just incredibly excited to take this to our customer base.
You just imagine combining your knowledge, our data, with our software tools as well.
Yes.
And now what we are doing as well, as you heard today as well, we are going into this AI direction where you are going to partner with us as well. That's in terms of speed.
Yes.
And this is so powerful, having the data, having the expertise, and having tools which are making this repeatable and fast. I think this is unique in the market.
Totally agree. And I think having also, leveraging a joint facility where we can bring customers, I'll say in the US, in the Metro Detroit area, a spot to gather around the vehicles, the teardowns. We're working closely with the Mexico facility as well, making sure that we're making everything we're doing as accessible as possible to the customer base while enhancing all of the cutting edge technology that the A2MAC1 platform is providing today.
I'm dreaming here of an experience center. So we bring the tear down cars and you are going to show with your knowledge and your experience in the automotive why this or that is so important. We underlaying with our data that this is the truth and this is maybe even the future trend. So things like that in this experience center, and then maybe one day we'll bring even cars for a ride, for performance testing. So all this is now in our ideas, and I think this is super exciting news.
I totally agree. This is just the beginning, and I think we've got a lot more to share with the customer base. We're just getting this relationship started, but truly, thank you, Yasmino. We're incredibly excited to endeavor on this journey together, and we'll see what the future holds.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
It was a pleasure.
Likewise.